Are you looking for good quality yet affordable baby items? Then you're on the right vlog. Join me as I show and review the things that I bought from IKEA! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Momshi Joyce and we're here for another Momshies Be Like video. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss anything. Today is a very productive day for me because I ordered something from IKEA and it was delivered just this morning. So I'm going to unbox and review their items. Please keep on watching until the end because I'm telling you, I never regret anything that I purchased from them. When I was pregnant, I was a bit worried on where to buy things for my baby. I visited IKEA stores so many times, but that was the only time that I checked their baby section. And wow, who can beat their prices for such great quality products? So without further ado, let me show you the things that I bought from IKEA.
First thing that I want to show you is the hens we got, which is made up of solid beech. The base is well ventilated and can be placed at two different heights. We also bought the mattress from them, so it's perfectly fitted and made from safe materials. Next is her pillow. For only 25 reals, this is made up of cotton, so it's nice and soft. We partnered it with Himmel's, which is a three-piece set bed linen for 79 reals. I love the minimalist design of white, pink, and gray with clouds and stars. It's made up of cotton too, and because IKEA has a strict requirements when it comes to materials, you can be sure that they are safe for the baby. We have the Himmel's bumper pad too. A bumper pad prevents your baby from bumping into the cot's hard rails. The filling also allows air to circulate, which provides a comfortable sleeping environment. OMG! I also love this fairy teddy bear. 19 reals only, and it's so soft. Well, on top of it all is brine. Brine is this white net. We bought this for 39 reals. This is my favorite too. It's washable and it looks elegant, but I never close it, especially when my baby is in her crib. This is to avoid suffocation. One of the must-haves for baby is kopang. This chest of three drawers is for only 325 reals. I can fit all of her clothes in here, and it has nice handles. It looks so clean, and the top serves as our changing table. I also have this shelf. This is Ron Square for 129 reals. This is where I put some of her stuff so I can be organized. I love its look. It's sophisticated and neat. Also, these white boxes are from IKEA. I love reaching everything that I need when I'm dressing my baby, so it's a big help for me. This lamp is from IKEA too. This carpet holder up is for 95 reals. It's not slippery and it's so soft to walk on. Now, let's check what they delivered today.
So guys, we assembled the first one already. This is her high chair. It's called Antelope. And we bought this for only 65 reals. It comes with a tray, so it's perfect for feeding because Avery will turn 6 months soon. I also love the color. It's just white and silver. She can also sit safely here because it comes with a safety belt. She can use it up to 3 years. This product has been tested and approved and is 100% safe. So guys, let's open the box now. I'm so excited to do this one. So first is this Antelope Fusion. It is only 20 reals. It is also inflatable, which will provide a soft and comfortable support so she will sit steadily. It is made up of harmless plastic, which is also easy to clean. So let's inflate this. This one is the cover for the cushion for only 19 reals. I love the color and print, and it's washable too. So let's put the cushion in. Next is this 4-piece eating set mata. Wow, I mean, who can beat the price for 4 pieces? This is only 19 reals. So it comes with a bib. Okay, so the bib is adjustable, and it has a large pocket to catch the food. And I think it will be easy to clean too. Next is the beaker. I love it. I think it's perfect because it has a wide space between the nose, so she doesn't have to lean her back when she's drinking. Plus, it has 2 handles so she can control when she's using this one. Next is the spoon. I like the spoon. It's small because my baby has a small mouth too. And their bowl, it's spacious and stands steadily on the table. We also ordered Fishbowl frames. So this is how it looks like. For only 7 reals each, I can use it by standing and on the wall, horizontally and vertically. They have different colors too. I just prefer white. Last one is the sole bowl. We have to assemble this one first, so it's kind of hard. I'm planning to put her books and some beautiful dresses. So this is how it looks like when assembled. So this is only 99 reals, and we will have a room makeover soon, and hopefully we already set this one up. That's all that we ordered for today, guys. With IKEA, I can make sure that all items are bisphenol A free, since they banned BPA since 2006. So I can guarantee that it's safe for my baby and for the environment. I love visiting their physical store, but due to the situation right now, I can say that I'm satisfied with their delivery service. I believe IKEA will open on 2021 in the Philippines at SM Mall of Asia, with roughly the size of 150 basketball courts. You should add it on your to-go list. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching Momshies Be Like, and I'll see you all on my next vlog. Bye!